Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Erin, crochet pattern designer behind Juniper and Oaks. I'm so excited that you're here with us for part 1 of the Desert Flower Pillow Cowl. Part 1 is pretty much an easy part. It's after you have ordered and received your yarn from High Desert Yarn. You should have 3 skeins of it, or about 650 yards. Once you received your yarn from High Desert Yarn, now it's time to turn it into a cake. So in order to turn it into a cake, you're going to need your yarn swift and a yarn ball, your yarn winder. In this next video, I'm going to just kind of show you how it's done. You can also Google and look, use whatever method that you use to wind your yarn. If you don't have these hanks from High Desert Yarn, if you have a different, like a skein of yarn or a cake for fall or something, however your yarn came, if you're using a substitute, just get it ready. If it's already ready and you're just doing like a center pull from a skein of yarn, that's just fine. You can continue to do that. So part 1 is just getting your yarn ready and making sure you have it all ready. So I'm going to be using an affiliate link down below to the High Desert Yarn, and then I'll also affiliate link some substitute options as well. And then your hook, you're going to need a size G 4mm hook. Size G 4mm hook. This is from Furls Crochet. I'll put an affiliate link down below. I like these wooden hooks a lot. You don't have to use this one, but you're going to want one that kind of has a nice area for your yarn to go on, because you're going to end up having 19 loops on this hook when it's all done, said and done. I hope that you've gathered all your yarn, and now we can assemble it into cakes. Once you've assembled all your yarn, you've got your hook, wait for part 2 of this pillow cowl as we work up the gauge swatch, which is the Jasmine stitch. So stay tuned. Make sure that you've liked this video. Leave a comment below telling me what kind of yarn you're going to be using for this cowl. Are you using the High Desert Yarn? Are you using a different colorway? Maybe you're using a completely different kind of yarn, just like Karen Simply Soft or Red Heart Super Saver, something like that. Give me a comment below. What yarn are you using? I would just love to know. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and then hit the little bell so you're notified anytime the next part of this cowl comes out, or any other yarn related content that I have. I'm so glad that you're part of this crochet community and that you'll be crocheting along with us. Okay, watch that video on how I turned this hank of yarn into a cake.